Lucknow is situated in which of the following river bank? So Lucknow, which is the capital of Uttar Pradesh, is situated in the river bank of Gomti river. Option B is the correct answer. Kokrajhar was in the news recently. It is located in the state of, where is Kokrajhar located? So Kokrajhar is the place where PM participated in the celebration of Bodo agreement, and it is in Assam. Option D. The President of India inaugurated the 34th Surajkund International Craft Mela in Surajkund. It is located in, where is Surajkund located? Okay, the President of India, that is Ram Nath Kovind, inaugurated this in Haryana. Option A. Penna river originates from Nandi Hill in the state of Karnataka. Option A is the correct answer. The Karakoram Pass connects which of the following two countries? Karakoram Pass, it's in the Karakoram mountain, that is also known as K2. It connects India and China. Option A is the correct answer. Which of the following country was the first to launch e-passport facility in the world? Okay, the first country in the world is Malaysia. Option D. The e-passes in Malaysia was launched in 1998, whereas the first South Asian nation is Bangladesh. Which of the following is the state flower of Odisha? The state flower of Odisha is Asoka. Option C is the correct answer. The world's first thermal battery power plant is in, the world's first thermal battery power plant is in Amravati, which is in Andhra Pradesh. And this power plant is owned by Bharat Energy Storage Technology Private Limited. National Immunization Day is observed on, 19th January. Option E. And it is observed as a part of Pulse Polio program. Magh Bihu and Harvest Festival is celebrated in, in which state this is celebrated? We know Bihu is a cultural dance of Assam, and Magh Bihu, where Magh means the month of January, February, or harvesting season. It is celebrated in the state of Assam. Option C. Mehrangarh Fort is located in which of the following state? It is located in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. It was built in 1459 by Rao Jodha. Answer is A, Rajasthan. Which of the following Indian state is the largest producer of spices in 2019? Okay, we all know Kerala is famous for spices. We know in the fiscal year 2019, Rajasthan is the largest producer of spices with 940,000 metric ton production. So the largest state producing spices is Rajasthan, followed by Gujarat, which is the second one, and then the third, Andhra Pradesh. National Food Security Act was passed in the year, this was passed in the year 2013. It had an objective to provide food and nutritional security in human life cycle. Amravati is a district in Andhra Pradesh in India, situated on the bank of which river? Amravati is situated in the bank of river Krishna. Option C is the correct answer. Whereas, which is the southern Ganga, or which river is also known as the Ganga of South? That is Godavari. But the answer is here Krishna. Which of the following animal is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh in India? The state animal of Andhra Pradesh is black bug. The term Golden Revolution is most closely related to which of the following mission? What is Golden Revolution? Golden Revolution was a period between 1991 to 2003 where production of honey and horticulture was at max, and that is under National Horticulture Mission. Next question. Which Indian petroleum company was in news recently for the first hydrocarbon discovery in Sri Lanka? So that was Crine India, option B. It is a subsidiary of London listed Crine Energy PLC. Education Innovation Fund for India is an initiative of, it is a collaboration project between HP Office of Global Social Innovation and India Council for Integral Education, an initiative of Sri Aurobindo Society. Here HP is Hewlett Packard. So the answer to this is HP, Hewlett Packard. The first nuclear test was conducted in India in the year, okay, the first nuclear test was conducted in Pokhran in the year 1974. Option B is the correct answer. The first solar based modern integrated steel in India is in, so this is in Visakhapatnam, that is Visakhapatnam steel plant. Hope you